This is Charlie from Fightfast. We got self-defense moves. Let's get right into it.
Okay, this is dealing with the side kick, and a lot of times I see this in cage fights, I see it in street fights. What you get is just that run-up, boom, side kick. This guy's counting on that for power. He wants to put you down with that one move. There's two main ways we deal with that. One is a catch, one is a parry. I'm going to show you the catch first and what your options are with the catch. When Steve comes in, I'll notice right there, you see he starts to go sideways. He has to go sideways to bring that side kick up successfully.
Hey guys, I'm jumping in here real fast. I want to give you some free videos. Go check out the description. We got a link to our free Fight Enders video. It's totally free. In that video, you'll get trained by martial artists, Green Berets, Black Ops, a whole bunch of specialists in the military and martial artists. The video is totally free. The link's in the description. Go check it out. Back to the video.
As he does, I'm going to stay squared to him. I'm going to let the side kick come in, and as it does, all I do is that much of a push. See how I just push my front foot out, which overextends his leg. This takes all the power off of that kick. Now it hits with a thump, but it's not anything serious to deal with or anything like that. At that point, I can take it off, and right here, I have the option of a heel hook ankle lock, which is real damaging to the ACL, causes all kinds of problems there. I can come into this one here, which is going to wind up in an ankle lock. Another thing I've got is I just, with this one arm, by pushing against this one arm, go ahead and try and throw punches. His punches are no good on the other side. Yet all of my punches, all my kicks are effective and good. What I would do at this point, and I'd step in, sweep, bang, right here, throw, and then I like to get on and pound at this point.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.